You can retrieve the application by entering this application ID, clicking on retrieve, for Google, date of birth, year. So here you will get two options, one for retrieving the new application using the previous one, and viewing confirmation page since it's been already submitted. So I'm just creating a view application with the existing one. Okay, so you'll get this kind of confirmation. Okay, so put agree. So you will have to give the answer here for the question got in this page. So you got this new application ID. So you can copy this one. Voice being is the confirmation number. So here you will have to select the location that you had selected. Enter this captcha code. Let me check, do we have anything else? MX5T6 retrieve application ID. Okay, retrieve application. Uh, and birth letter, retrieve application. Okay, what is your mother's name that you have to give the answer. So any question you can pick. So I'm picking like in what city or town was the first job, what city. You can give this name, anyone. Okay, so I'm just giving A, B, C, D, E. Okay, continue. See, all preloaded details are appearing here. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for the watching. See you on the next video.